So it's the Bluetti Prime Day Spring Sale, and I've got an awesome giveaway for you. Someone's going to win that unit right there. Let's check it out. All right, folks, welcome back. So it is the Bluetti Prime Spring Sale, okay, March 7th to March 24th. They're going to have significant discounts on all of their products. If you guys have been on the fence about picking up a Bluetti product, first of all, I'm here to tell you their stuff is top-notch. None of these units have given me any trouble. I'm also in the process of testing another big unit from them, and it's been unbelievably great. So I haven't had any problems with any of them. So if this is a time where you're thinking about getting a Bluetti power station, now's the time to do it. It's going to be from today, the 7th, all the way to March 24th. There's going to be some amazing discounts. I want to quickly show you some of the units I have here. This is just a sampling of what they have. This is the Bluetti AC2A, okay? It's a portable power station, 300 watts, 204 watt hours. This is what you're going to be winning here if you enter into this contest. We'll get into that in a second. The giveaway is going to be for this AC70 portable power station, 1,000 watt power station, 768 watt hours. And lastly, probably my favorite, the AC180 on the end here, 1,800 watts, 1,152 watt hours, okay? Awesome system. This thing is really great, and pretty much this will run anything in your house for the most part. 1,800 watts, probably run a refrigerator for a while. Probably, I know it will run my deep freezer. I know it'll run an AC unit because I tested it. So definitely good stuff. Let's get into the giveaway and talk about what's going to be going on. But first, I want to talk to you about this one because this is the one you guys have a chance to win. I wanted to zoom in on this one and show you all about this guy. So this is the AC70. This is a really nice mid-range kind of power station. 1,000 watts, 768 watt hours. This thing is super fast to charge up. It's got 2,000 watts in lifting power, so when you put it in a boost mode or lifting power, it will do 2,000 watts, okay? 950 watts of charging, okay? They have turbo charging. You can plug it in, 950 watts. It'll charge up to 80% in 45 minutes, and trust me, I've tested it. It's fast. Up to 500 watt solar intake. It'll fully charge in 2 hours. There are 7 outlets on this designed for versatile charging. There's multiple ways to charge it. You can AC charge it, of course. You can plug it into the wall. You can car charge it. You can use a lead acid battery to charge it as well if you wanted to do that. Put it into the DC input here. So there's a bunch of ways to charge it. The LifePo battery in it's good for 3,000 plus charge cycles. You do get the smart app with this. You can use the smart app with this, I mean. So you can use it with any of these here, connect it to your phone, and actually keep an eye on it. So if I wanted to run this out here to, say, run a heater, all right? I'm not in the room. I want to run a heater out here. I can check on it from inside my house on my app, see what's going on. I can even check it from wherever I am. As long as you can connect to it with Bluetooth, you can check it out. So it's definitely a cool little system. Let's talk about the rules for the contest and how you guys are going to win in the comment section below. This one's going to be real simple. I'm going to draw a winner on the 29th of March. Now, I'm going to use random comment picker. That's the only way you're going to win. If anybody comes on this video and says, call me on Telegram, oh, go to my Instagram page, you're a winner, you're not. Okay, the only way you're going to get to win anything from this video is on the 29th when I use random comment picker down below to pick a comment of one of the comments that wins the power station here. You will need to send me your address and name via email, and I'll put my email down below so you can, and Bluetti will ship this directly to you. Not this particular unit, but a unit just like it. Okay? The rules are pretty simple. You just have to leave a comment in the comment section with the word Bluetti to have a chance to enter into it. Okay? And again, folks, do not respond to anybody that says, oh, call this number, oh, you're a winner, you won on my Telegram page. The only way to win this is by me picking the winner on the 29th, okay? There's no other prizes. There's no secret drawings. I know whenever I do a contest, I always get those people that want to come in and scam, and they even try to fake my username and come on here and go, oh, call me on Telegram. You're a winner. You're not. Just with the drawing. This is an awesome unit. I really, really like it. I hope you guys get a chance to check this out because, this is just a small sampling of what they have on sale. And it's going to start today, March 7th. It runs all the way till the 24th, okay? So definitely check it out. We got major discounts coming up for Bluetti products. I know you guys know their reputation and their quality. It's all good stuff. So check it out. And don't forget, check out their link down below, as well as all the other links for my channel. We have our affiliate page there for Amazon, our freeze-dried wholesalers link. The link saves you 15% when you're shopping for freeze-dried food. Our My Patriot Supply link, that's preparewithiridium.com. And of course, our Thrive Life freeze-dried food store. Don't forget to check those out, as well as enter into the contest, because that could be yours really, really soon. So leave your comment down below with the word Bluetti in it, however you choose to incorporate it. I love Bluetti. Hey, I have a Bluetti, just leave the comment. Doesn't matter. On the 29th, we will pick you a winner. I thank you guys for hanging out with me today and enjoying the video. Stay safe and stay prepared.